Hi, this is Dan Beaulieu with Real-Time Apex at Apex Expo. Today I'm talking with my friend Brian Buyea, who is the president of Remtec Incorporated out of Canton, Massachusetts. Brian, thanks for being with me today.
Good morning, Dan. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, I appreciate your time. Well, I'll be honest, I love Remtec. I love what they do. To me, this is a company of the future. Although they've been in business 35 years, they do what tomorrow's technology today. So Brian, tell us a little bit about, I know about you, but tell us a little bit about Remtec and the history of the company.
So Remtec was founded in 1990 by material scientists who patented a process called PCTF, plated copper on thick film.
Yep.
So it's a ceramic substrate, thick film printed silver with plated up copper. And then from that basic structure, we've been able to build literally thousands of different devices for our customers.
Okay, and one of your fortes is ceramic circuits, right?
Correct.
Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, we're not your traditional ceramic or traditional printed circuit board manufacturer. So we'll make a printed circuit board out of ceramics, but we also make components, modules, assemblies, pretty much any problem that our customers have around power electronics, and heat dissipation.
I know your slogan is the whole package. Talk about that a little bit.
So the whole package is, we start with our ceramic substrate or printed circuit board, and we also are starting to add assemblies. So ring frame leads, all the way through chip and wire, and create the whole package for our customer. We're US-based manufacturer and assembler. All of our components are coming from US-based sources, which is something our customers are asking us for over and over again.
Yeah, let's stop there for a minute. US base, I know about Remtec, and I know that's an important factor of your strategy. Why is that?
Well, I think, with everything going on in the world today, supply chain issues, it started with coming out of COVID, 2021, and there was the great chip shortage,
yeah.
Right? And there was also a large shortage of these types of printed circuit boards. And a lot of our customers asked us, can we have a supply chain that's manufactured in the U.S.? Or they want to have dual supply chains. So yeah, they're still going to buy some of these things from Asia, but then also having a source here in the U.S. is very important.
Yeah, for a number of reasons, I understand that. I'm a writer, a strategist, I'm not an engineer. So in my terms, explain to me the technology of that you guys do. Thick film, for example, ceramic, substrates. Give me a little primer of those.
So when you talk about thick film,
yeah.
And thick film screen printing, we're the equivalent of a high-tech t-shirt printing operation, but we're printing silver and gold paste onto a ceramic substrate, and then firing that on at temperatures that are above 850 C.
Okay, and the purpose, the qualities of a ceramic circuits are what? Thermal control?
Thermal conductivity. So a normal printed circuit board, if you talk about an FR4, one of the most common PCB materials, that has a thermal conductivity of 0.25 watts per meter Kelvin, where our high-end beryllium oxide is 280 watts. So we're 1,000 times better when it comes to heat dissipation.
Okay. And who wants that? Who needs that?
Demanding applications, so military, aerospace applications, anywhere where there's a lot of power electronics across the board. So anything from a radar system to a electric vehicle, right?
Okay, like in the vehicle itself.
Yeah, traction control systems, inverters.
Okay,
those types of things.
Okay, so I don't know if you want to name your customers. Don't do that. But what kind of customers? What kind of companies are in your customer base? Just the type of companies.
Well, to start with, probably every major defense prime you can name is in our portfolio. And then, like I mentioned, the Formula One race cars. So we're in at least 3 of the major Formula One race car brands. And then, one of the companies that's launching rockets continuously, right, is in our portfolio, right?
Yeah. So that's good. And I know that we've talked about this before. It's important to state you're also doing the assembly. Can you talk a little more about that?
Yeah, so when it comes to assembly, again, we're differentiated quite a bit because we're not your normal PCBA company.
Right.
We're not,
right.
Yeah, we can do SMT lines and add components. The other nice thing about ceramics and what we do is you can integrate. So imagine not needing the SMT line, right?
Yeah.
We'll integrate the resistor into the package. We'll integrate the capacitor, the inductor, into the package. We've got patents around that today.
Okay. And one of the things that I found interesting about Remtec was, and I don't know if the ratio is still there, but I think there were 75 employees and 25 are degreed engineers. Is that correct?
Correct, yeah. So we've really focused on investing heavily in becoming solutions providers.
Okay.
And when our engineers are speaking with our customers' engineers, we can create a lot of value.
Okay.
And help solve problems and ask the right questions to maybe even in some cases solve problems that our customers didn't even know they had.
Okay. So yeah, I love that because I know you're out there, you're doing a lot of publishing. I've seen you in iConnect, for example. So you're being found, and I imagine that draws engineers and designers to you. If I'm a designer, why do I come to Remtec? Well,
it's our culture.
It's a culture.
More than anything. I mean, we're a people-first culture.
Yeah.
So if you want to work at a company where we value character, integrity, self-discipline, humility, and teamwork, that's Remtec.
Okay. One last thing I want to touch upon because it's being talked about so much, and I know it's a fuzzy question, but I'll ask you. CMMC. It's getting more and more important, and I know when I talk to my friends about Remtec, I talk about you're one of the most advanced companies down the path of CMMCs. Can you talk about that?
So we'll be CMMC level 2 compliant in 2026.
Great.
We've already had assessment. We moved our facility in 2024 and also upgraded our entire IT infrastructure. Okay. So we set it up for that to start with.
Great, excellent. Brian, any last words as we wrap this up?
Well, I think if you want to remember one thing about Remtec is that we perform where regular PCBs don't perform. When it comes to thermal, when it comes to power, we've got copper that's 5 mils to 20 mil thick on some of our PCBs, and then we got our PCTF technologies that can create hermetic seals, hermetically sealed vias. We can integrate components, heterogeneous integration. We're taking an old technology and recreating it for some current today's needs. We've had companies approach us about quantum computing applications. That's the future, right?
Yeah, that's the future.
Allowing our products and developing the material sets that can work at extremely low temperatures and can superconduct.
Excellent. If you want to know more about Remtec, go to remtec.com, very easy. Brian, thanks for talking to us today. This is Dan Beaulieu with Real Time with Apex Expo. Thanks for watching.